We got a 2007 Ford Focus here, and the key is stuck in the ignition anytime that the battery is connected. The first thing you're going to want to do is tighten down the rubber bands on your braces, and then smoke a joint. No, but really, the first test we're going to do is you got to take this clamshell off, and there's a connector inside for the ignition. We're going to check that for a short to ground, and then we're going to proceed from there. All right, now that we got the clamshell off underneath here, you're going to pull off this 7-pin connector that goes to the ignition, and in slot number 3, it's hard to see, but there's tiny little numbers on here. It's the third one over from the left. You're going to put a paper clip in there so you can get your voltmeter, and then you're going to check to make sure that this doesn't have continuity to ground. So we're going to set our voltmeter to that, and we should not hear a beep. Okay, so that means that that is shorted to ground. So the next step is we have to figure out where this is shorted. This wire right here runs to the shift interlock in here, right? So the first place I'm going to check is in here. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the connector that goes to this and see if it's still showing that it's shorted to ground. If it isn't shorted anymore, then I know that this is bad internally and we need to replace the shift lever. All right, we got the console off right here, and if you don't know how to take that off, you probably shouldn't be working on your own car. This connector right here, we unplugged. This is for the shifter and everything, right? And you can see here the black with yellow tracer wire that goes to this black yellow tracer wire here. And now, with it disconnected, we're going to check the ohms again, right? Continuity works as well. So now we're getting a reading of 100,000 ohms, which means that that circuit was grounded out. You can probably see the screen down there, maybe not. But with that connected, I was getting a reading of 0.6, and we were also getting the beep for the continuity, telling us that this was going to ground. And now with this disconnected, there is no more beep, and we're getting a proper reading on the ohms. So, replace your shifter. Your car's fixed. Thank me later.